Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Trustpilot review on WordPress. Let's get started. So I have in here my page and let's just head over right here to our site. So what you can do is you can just head over and sign up, and then in here, let's click on add new app and then search in here for review. We have in here this all-in-one reviews. So what you can do in this case is you can head over and then just choose a template you want to use for this. I'll just head over and choose this simple carousel. Click on this continue right here, and then click on this custom right here since we don't have in here Trustpilot. So click on custom. Then let's name this source Trustpilot. Then let's add in here some reviews. So we can add in here the text and also the reviewer name. And in here, click on done, and you can also add another review as well if you want to. So in here, let's put in here this review and also the reviewer name. Tapos in there, click on done. And then in here, click on done again. And as you can see, we have now 2 reviews, but if you want, you can add some more. Now click on this publish right here. And then in here, click on view plans. And now in here, we have in here our free plan. So let's head back right here to our actual app catalog. And in here, we click on this install. Click on this copy code, head back right here and click on this plus icon, search in here for HTML. And now let's actually add this custom HTML right here, and then let's paste our code. And you can also click on the preview right here in order to see the preview of your actual reviews right here. Once you're done with that, click on the save option and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.